It is an exciting time for us within the teaching profession as we look forward to the introduction of a new curriculum for Wales in 2022, where there will be greater freedom to teach in a way that best meets the needs of each learner, all within a clear national framework. I personally feel privileged to be actively involved in educating future generations. An essential part of teaching is about encouraging and supporting young people to develop the important skills needed to respect themselves and others, to value diversity and to give them the ability to build healthy and respectful relationships. As a former international sportswoman and currently a football pundit, I am fully aware of the need to educate people to respect each other, ensuring that we do not tolerate any prejudice within society, be that based on gender, skin colour, sexuality or religious beliefs. The new curriculum, which will include developmentally appropriate relationships and sexuality education, will put these principles at the heart of learning. We want our young people to thrive, to be ambitious, capable learners and healthy, confident individuals ready to lead fulfilling lives as valued members of society.